Hey guys, so I've been real busy lately, doing a lot of work on the car. I showed a couple of videos back, and there's still a lot of jobs to be done with that one, so there's probably not going to be any more machining videos, not any big machining videos in the near future. But hopefully after that I'll get back to some machining. But I wanted to show you this one because it's pretty interesting. I had a customer who wanted me to ream this hole so that he could fit a ball joint, a different ball joint. Remember, I did these. I did a modification kind of like this one way back, and I haven't done any since then. So when I started reaming it, everything went perfectly, but when I was almost finished, I discovered that the reamer I had wasn't the perfect fit. There was a slight angle. It was just a little bit off in the angle. So I had to come up with another way to do this. So I'm going to show you this now. The alternative to reaming it was, of course, to turn it with or bore it with my compound and just set that in the angle I needed. So I made a test piece, which is here. So I have the angle set on the compound, and that's a perfect fit. So what I needed to do then was just to take this upright and hold it in the chuck, and that's not the easiest thing to do with a thing this odd. But I just did one of them, and that worked out perfectly. So now I'm going to do the other one. So I really got the chuck jaws just set to kind of support it, and it really, what holds this down is these clamps here, and I have some brass shims there to get the alignment right. So what I did was that I don't know if you can see it, I think so. I took a bolt and held it in the drill chuck, and I fastened it with that, so I could just put it into the chuck and kind of get the first alignment right. So it helps a lot. So I got these tightened now, so what I'm gonna do is to indicate the hole and to get it right to start boring it. It looks reasonably right there. So hopefully that's going to be an easy indication. Yeah, that's not too bad. When I did the other one, I had this machinist jack, which I made a while back, and because I had that, I had to go really slow. So because I don't have any way to hold that, so it could come loose if I get the revs high enough, but I was running at 56 revolutions per minute. And of course I hand fed it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do the same. You'll have to excuse me for not talking as much, but there's some thinking involved here. It's not easy to get these things right, since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points to get to adjust to get the alignment right. I would say that is good enough. It's within a couple of hundreds. So I'm not going to push my luck farther. So this is 28 revolutions per minute. We're gonna bump it up to 56. I think that's gonna be safe. Should something come loose, it's not gonna go flying all over the place. Take a measurement on the one that's finished. So it's just below 17 millimeters in the big end. It's 16.9. Here we have 15.25. So we got a bit to go. I thought I heard a crack earlier, and sure enough, the insert is not perfect anymore. So I'm just gonna swap sides on it. So I think 1 or 2 final passes and then we're done. We're gonna do one more pass. Which I think is gonna be the last one. Okay, so that's the job done. We got a really perfect fit there. There's no play whatsoever. So I'm gonna try and show the finish. I don't know if you can see it there if the camera is zooming, but it's a really nice finish, and I think he'll be happy with the work. So that's both uprights done. Now the other thing I need to do on these is this customer wants to flip the ball joint for the steering arm over. So instead of having it go in from the bottom, you want it to go in from the top. But I'm confident that will be a good solution. I don't know how this is done abroad when you make kit cars and stuff, but here in Sweden we've been doing this for many years on kit cars and hot rod builds. So I'm confident that this solution will not fail. So yeah, let's get it done. So I thought it was worth to see if take a chance and see if the reamer would fit this ball joint for the steering, and I think it does. I'm not certain yet, so I have to go a little bit deeper to see, but I'm hoping that it will fit. It actually looks like it fits. So that's good news. That will mean I can get this job done a lot quicker. I don't know if I mentioned this, but these are Mazda Miata or MX-5 uprights, and I also made some parts for the new wishbones for this car. These are just some threaded parts that are gonna be welded to the wishbone. And yeah, very good fit. These can be mounted from the top now. I'm more than happy with the fit. Glad it worked out with the reamer on that one, because that would be hard to do using the same method I did here. But the fit is very good, and I am very happy with this job. So that's it for this time. Hope you liked this video. Thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you again in the future. Bye.